Hey everyone, this is Chris again over at your local AceVacuums dealer here in Fairfax, Virginia. Today we're going to talk to you guys about some air purifiers that we carry. One in particular today, I know with all the stuff with the COVID going on and now slowly starting to go down, people that have allergens, seasonal allergens, pollen, pets, pet dander, and just asthma, all that kind of stuff. Having a home air purifier in your house is a big thing now more than ever. So today we're going to talk to you guys about one of the brands that we carry, and actually one of my favorite brands is the Alston Air. So here today we're just going to show you one of the models. They have a few different makes of bottles, different colors, things like that. Today we're going to talk about just how what they do, how well they work, what all they help prevent in the home. And all that kind of stuff. So Alston Air, they make three different kind of brands. You have your Health Mate, you have your Health Mate Plus, and then they also have the bedroom air purifier. All of them do a different amount of square footage, around 12 to 1500 square footage, different filters and filtration for different types of things to help you in your home. They have different colors, black, the white ones, different things like that. So actually, a study was done on Alston Air, and it's clinically proven that they remove most dangerous pollutants in your home, such as like viruses, bacteria, mold spores, smoke, allergens, as well as different gases, chemicals, and everything like that. They're doctor's choice recommended. And the reason why they're doctor's choice recommended for people with health conditions. So if you're somebody that suffers with COPD, if you have asthma or any other breathing issues, respiratory issues, infections, things like that, these are clinically proven to help reduce those different things and help you in your home. We strongly recommend them here. I have one person in my house. I absolutely love it. I have bad allergies. My son has bad allergies, so they definitely do work and help a lot with a lot of different variety of things. Like the bedroom is supposed to be helping you sleep a little better and be more sound to sleep. They're just really good. And the best thing about Alston Air is they're made right here in America. They're made out of New York, so they're American made, good quality product. We strongly recommend them. So if you're somebody that's kind of on the fence as to why to get an air purifier in your home, or if you have one now that's like a cheaper version or not working very good, you definitely need to give us a call. One of our people at one of our locations at 703-997-9292, one of our locations, somebody can definitely help you and point you in the direction of what best fits your house and which version and which model would best fit your needs. They have the price range varies from different models. You can also check our website out at www.acevacuums.com and kind of see everything that we have with Alston Air. Don't hesitate to give us a call. Like us on Facebook, Instagram, all of our social media. Stay up to date with different things that we got going on. And we do want to also let you guys know that Alston Air, I'm not particularly a huge fan, but they are the official sponsors of the Buffalo Bills National Football League. So they come highly recommended. And if you guys need one or looking to get an air purifier for your home, we strongly recommend buying Alston Air. If you have questions, give us a call and check us out online. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this was helpful, and give us a call if you guys need anything. Thank you.